Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're glad to have you return to watch another video. In this video, we attend the 2019 Myrtle Beach Jeep Jam. And at this event, there was hundreds of Jeeps on all 3 days. It was Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We selected to join the event on Sunday, but on Friday night, as you can see in the opening here, they had a get-together for all the attendees. So there were hundreds of Jeeps that came out to Myrtle Beach's Broadway at the Beach, if you guys are familiar with the area, and all came and sat down at the Hard Rock Cafe to have dinner, and there were some raffles that they did for the event for all the attendees. That was a really good time. If you guys join us, you might see your Jeep here, and you might not see it. I did not get around the whole entire parking lot for all of the Jeeps. I just grabbed the general group that was right around our Jeeps. But while making this video, we're comparing again the Rubicon versus the Moab for a bit of the beginner trails at the Jeep Jam event. So during this, you'll see going back and forth from an in-camera view versus a side view of the Jeeps, going through the beginner hurdles, the beginner obstacles. Again, our Jeeps are both stock, so neither of us went out and went onto the advanced obstacles. We stayed on the beginner ones, except for my wife. She did take the Rubicon over the crushed cars, which I wasn't ready to do that. And with my lower clearance, I was afraid I'd scrape something up that I couldn't afford to scrape up. But we hope you guys enjoy this video. Continue to watch our videos. And tell us what you like, what you don't like. Give us that feedback. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up for the video. Follow us on Instagram. And I'm going to switch over to the regular audio so you can hear the actual in the cabin and from the camera views as we go through these obstacles and through the courses. We really hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed going on the course and going through this event. There's tons of vendors on the side that were also great. If you guys haven't made it out to the Myrtle Beach Jeep Jam, I highly recommend it. It's one of those events you just got to do it. It's a blast. So again, thanks for joining us. Subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Quick Shifts, and give us a thumbs up and hit that bell so you can get the reminders when new videos come out. Thanks for joining us.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Okay. You been here before?
Nope, first
okay.
time.
First time. Okay, this is the easy side.
Yep.
The easier side.
Easier side, yes.
Okay. Four-wheel drive low.
Yep.
Before you go through. There's spotters on each one of the obstacles. Please listen to the spotter.
Oh, I will.
Okay. Yeah. Well, some people don't, so that's why we have to remind them. And once you get in here, you stay in your Jeep until you get back out. Even if something happens, you know, like we had the rollover
one,
there,
yeah.
everybody stay in the Jeep.
Okay.
Okay? All right? And as soon as he gets off those logs up there, we'll let you go.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Be careful and have fun.
Appreciate it.
Okay, go ahead.
All right.
It's you again.
See Mommy going?
Alright. Dude, she's sitting out in part of her shirt without any mud on it. Now put her window down, put the child lock on. Don't let her act so childish through the mud like that again, alright? Alright, so what are you going to do this time? I'm going to try to keep to the left and just hammer down. Hammer down to the left. Let's see how that works this time. Hit it. Fast approach. Boom, to the left. Up over the hump, into the truth zone. So childish through the mud like that again, all right? So what are you going to do this time? Hammer down to the left. Let's see how that works this time. Hit it. Fast approach. Boom, to the left. Up over the hump, into the truth zone. And a nice... Yes, I'm used to getting that look from people. It's okay. What's your strategy? Gonna hit it hard.
You see Mommy going?
Gonna hit it hard? I'm talking about for the Jeep. I'm kidding, relax. Where are you from?
Pennsylvania.
So you just moved here from Pennsylvania?
Yep.
You're gonna love it here, man. Congratulations, good luck. Hello, who's your passenger? Hello, Serenity, are you having fun? Yes.
Hey, a little bit closer to my side. Hey, come out.
Hit it hard. Hit it hard. I'm talking about for the Jeep. Oh, kidding, relax. Where are you from?
Pennsylvania.
So you just moved here from Pennsylvania?
Yep.
You're gonna love it here, man.
All right. Got it?
Congratulations, good luck. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, we got some girl power. Can I ride with you?
Yes.
That all right. Everybody cool? Can I take another ride? Right. It said the girls were out driving the guys anyway. What do you think, ladies? Girls driving better than guys or what? Thank you. All four of you ladies, thank you. What's your name?
Erica.
Where are you from?
Greenville, South Carolina.
Greenville, South Carolina. What's your strategy?
Don't get stuck.
That's a great strategy. Now, let's see if it works out for us.
All set?
Ready. Wait a minute, I gotta use the bathroom. I feel like I'm in the bathroom. Nice, nice, lots of power. The truth zone.
Nope.
Oh,
Cut it off. Oh, well.
we almost made it. That was a good piece of driving, by the way.
Oh, thank you. It was scary.
Nice. Do you normally pick up guys you don't know and run them through mud pits?
Every day.
Thank you for selecting me.
Thank you for riding with me. That's
Is
great.
everybody having fun? We doing okay so far? Yes? If you say yes, we give away cash and prizes. Yes? A little assisted excavation here. Good stuff.
All right.
That
Man,
was
you're
fun.
brave. You
That
were
was
brave.
fun.
Well, that was
Right,
terrifying
well, you look
for
so,
me.
so nice and sweet. I think I could trust you, right? Thank you so much.
Yes, you should always trust strangers. Have fun.
Thank you for the ride.
Appreciate it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Watch out for these other strangers. They're not like me. Wait a minute, I gotta use the bathroom. I feel like I'm in the bathroom.
Hit it!
Nice, nice, lots of power. The truth zone.
No.
Oh.
Come, driver. Driver. Straighten out.
Beautiful run. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Oh, here we go. Fast run. Straight up the middle. Beautiful. Nice, consistent. Beautiful run.
That one too. Oh, she went around it.
Oh, here goes the dog car.
It's best I skip that one.
Here Mama goes. Check it out. She's going up. Mommy's going over the cars.
That's what you want to do, right?
Yep. Look at mommy go! You ready, buddy?
Ready, set, go!
Here we go.
So far, so good. Whoa! Oh boy. Here's the nuts.
Here we go.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Jeez, cracking me up. Cracking me eggs. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Bitch is crazy. Roll one. Bitch.
Thank you, sir.
Bite.
Here we go.
Yeah, I'm going back.
Here we go.
Oh.
Ah.
One more, easy. One more. Clear. Going to the mud?
Yeah, can we?
Yep, swing out wide right for me. And then line it right behind that guy.
Okay.
Send it. Get 4 low.
Yes, sir.
All right, take off.
Let's go, bud.
I am holding on. Go, 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 go. We got stuck. Oh,
We didn't go fast enough.
yeah. Wow. Look at the windows. Oh, this is good. Hey. Mamma mia.
Driver.
You're good.
Thank you.
Hi. Oh. I bumped my head.
Yep, you gotta be careful.
Jeez.
It's gonna get bouncy.
Oh.
Across cars?
Yeah, can I do it?
Yeah. Go off to one of the sides when you come up though, so you don't get hung.
So
Yeah.
stay left or right?
Yeah, one or the other.
Okay.
Just try not to center because you don't have lift on this thing, do you?
No, you know what? I'll pass
Yeah.
it.
If you got to drive it home, yeah, you might want to go around.
All right, I'll go around it. Thank you.
Crazier than you.
Mommy's gonna go over the cars.